The power of artificial neural networks, ANNs, for smart applications. Indeed, ANNs have proven to be incredibly useful in developing intelligent systems. Let's explore how they can be harnessed for such applications. 1. Image and speech recognition, ANNs, particularly convolutional neural networks, CNNs, have revolutionized image and speech recognition tasks. They can learn to identify objects, faces, or even emotions in images and accurately transcribe speech. These capabilities have paved the way for applications like facial recognition systems, voice assistants, and autonomous vehicles. 2. Natural language processing, NLP. ANNs have greatly improved language-based applications. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and transformer models have made significant strides in machine translation, sentiment analysis, text generation, and chatbots. These advancements enable smart applications that can understand and generate human language effectively. 3. Recommendation systems. ANNs are highly effective in building recommendation systems that suggest personalized content or products to users. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, ANNs can make accurate predictions and provide tailored recommendations, enhancing user experiences in e-commerce, streaming platforms, and content curation. 4. Fraud detection. ANNs excel at detecting fraudulent activities and anomalies in large datasets. By learning patterns from historical data, they can identify suspicious transactions, fraudulent behaviors, or security breaches in real time, making them invaluable for fraud detection and prevention in finance, cybersecurity, and e-commerce. 5. Autonomous systems. ANNs play a vital role in enabling autonomous systems to operate with intelligence. From self-driving cars to drones, ANNs process sensor data, make decisions, and control actions in real time, allowing these systems to navigate complex environments and adapt to changing conditions. 6. Healthcare and medicine. ANNs have significant potential in healthcare applications. They can assist in disease diagnosis, predict patient outcomes, and aid in drug discovery. By analyzing vast amounts of medical data, ANNs can help healthcare professionals make informed decisions and improve patient care. 7. Financial forecasting. ANNs are adept at analyzing financial data and making predictions. They can be utilized in stock market forecasting, risk assessment, credit scoring, and algorithmic trading. ANNs can learn from historical trends and patterns to provide valuable insights for making informed financial decisions. 8. Smart manufacturing and IoT. ANNs are increasingly being employed in smart manufacturing processes and Internet of Things, IoT, applications. They can optimize production lines, predict equipment failures, and improve energy efficiency. ANNs enable machines to learn and adapt, enhancing productivity and reducing downtime. It's important to note that building and deploying ANNs for smart applications require careful consideration of data quality, model architecture, training techniques, and ethical considerations. The availability of large-scale, high-quality datasets and powerful computational resources is also crucial for achieving optimal results. Harnessing the power of ANNs for smart applications opens up a world of possibilities, paving the way for more intelligent, efficient, and user-centric systems across various domains.